Hello friends, welcome to Sapphire Spices. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Today I am going to share some pigs who all are very far from here but very close to our heart. So on this special day, I am going to share cashew nut and pistachio flavor sweet recipe. So before I start my recipe, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. So whatever new recipe I will post, you can get notification. So let's start today's recipe. For making cashew nut and pistachio flour, take 1 cup of finely grinded cashew nut powder, 1/4 cup of milk powder, and 1/2 cup of icing sugar or finely powdered regular sugar. I suggested that to use icing sugar, but if you are using regular sugar, it should be finely powdered. Now give it good mix. Now add 2 to 3 drops of rose essence to get the wonderful Halwai style flavor from this Kaju Pista flour. Now again give it good mix. Now we are going to add milk for kneading the dough, but make sure you do not add all at a time. Add a little at a time and make a dough like you can roll it. So you need to knead just to form like this, because if you over knead it, then cashew powder will leave oil. Now keep aside this dough and cover with cling wrap. I am going to prepare second dough. For this, I am taking about 1 cup of finely grinded cashew nut powder, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of milk powder, and give it good mix. Now I am adding milk in this mix, in which I have added saffron tang, now again give it good mix. Now we are going to add milk for kneading the dough, but make sure you do not add all at a time. Add a little at a time and make a dough like you can roll it, same as we prepared first dough. At this stage, I am adding 2 to 3 drops of food color in it. You can use any food color. I am using yellow food color. Same as before, no need to over knead this dough, otherwise cashew paste will leave oil. Now keep aside this dough and cover with cling wrap. Now I am preparing third dough. For that, I am taking 1 cup of finely grinded pistachio powder, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of milk powder and give it good mix. Now I am adding 2 to 3 drops of green food color in it and give it good mix. Now we are going to add milk for kneading the dough, but again make sure no need to add all at a time. Add a little at a time and make a dough. So you need to knead just to form like this. Now keep aside this dough and cover with cling wrap. Now give this dough 15-minute rest. Now we are going to roll this. So take parchment paper or thick plastic sheet. Now place this cashew dough on this sheet and press this dough with your hand and then use your rolling pin to roll it. I roll this dough into thin sheet. Now I am cutting small circle shape with using one bottle cap. So I am preparing small circle shape from this rolled sheet. Now transfer these round cut parts in one plate and keep aside. Now I am going to roll this pista flavor dough. Roll it thin and now cut in small circle shape with using one bottle cap. And transfer this round cut parts in one plate. Now follow the same procedure as before for third dough. Interesting part is coming. I am preparing flour from these round cut parts. So take one round parts, consider it as flower petal, and you can see how can I prepare flour from these parts. So edible beautiful flower is ready. am again showing you how can you prepare this flower. So take one petal, fold it, take second one, stick on it, take third one, stick on second one, take fourth one, stick on third one. So one by one you can stick each petal and can make beautiful flower. So similar way I am going to prepare all flowers. So cashew nut and pista flavor flowers are ready. For garnishing, I am sprinkle red sugar particles on it. It will look so beautiful. So celebrate this Raksha Bandhan with this beautiful edible flowers. If you like my recipe, please share with your friends and family. I will come very soon with my new recipe. Stay tuned with me. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching.